Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about what is a social security number on your Cash App. So basically when signing up for Cash App, you will need to sign in using your government official documents so that you'll be able to have a card. So if you don't have a card, you can actually order one using your SSN right here. That's your prerequisite of course. And then from here, so you can secure your identity. So they will prompt you to be identified with your SSN or your social security number in the app. So certain features within the Cash App requires identity to be verified and it will keep your identity safe, of course. So you should never share your SSN with anyone outside Cash App. So basically, this is how it look like right here. So when you're already signing up, you will have to place your date of birth so that you will have to be confirmed that you're 18 and above. Next, go to limits, and then you'll see your limits there, and then if your limits is still below the limit that you want and then you want it to increase, you can do so. So place your first legal name right here and then place the last four digits of your social security number and then press next. From there, you'll be able to be confirmed with your own social security number right there. And it's just that simple. So social security numbers are only in America, if I'm not mistaken, and this will help you in the identity verification process that it's really you and you're a citizen and you're above 18. So there you go guys, that is what the social security number is in your Cash App. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.